Imagine, guys, you had done a lot of things in your day, but at night, when you rethink about your day, you just got to know that you hadn't done any positive, any productive work. Then you, if you will think about your day, then you will see that you had wasted your a lot of time. And these types of thing happens with me daily. Like I used to waste my time daily, maybe from anything, maybe from my phone, maybe from anything. Okay, so I think these five mistakes which I do is quietly waiting my time, like it is wasting my time. So it can be waste your time also. So you can take precautions from my video, and you can use this video to make sure that you are not wasting your time. So if you will move with our first mistake, that will be you just check your phone without any reason. For example, you just sit for studying. Okay, a notification popped in your mobile phone, then you check it, then you jump into another video, then you jump into another reel, then you jump in your Instagram, then it suddenly becomes a 20 minute, like a 20-minute waste. You wasted 20 minutes. Then your brain will say, okay, I had wasted 20 minutes, let see this reel or this video 10 minutes more, then it will become 30. Then after 10 minutes I will try to study. But this doesn't happen. You waste your full hour, and you don't even know that you had wasted, but you wasted your full time. And that's why I think this mistake we or I personally do a lot, like just without any reason checking your phone, and just jumping from another video to another reel from another. This thing is very time wasting. So the second mistake I will point out, that is starting a lot of things in a one time. Like I'm not saying don't start a lot of things, but starting that in a same time is somewhere is not good. Like you sat for editing your video, then you jump into like editing thumbnail, then you jump into watching a video, then you are doing something else, then you are writing your words. You are doing a lot of things together at the same time, that is which is not good. Like don't ask yourself that how many things I can do in a day. Ask yourself that how, like which one thing I can do properly in a time. Like if you will separate these time for giving a particular thing a particular time, then you can do much better than doing a lot of things in a row, like not in a row but in a time. Like don't start a lot of things in a time, that always waste your time. Like if I tell about my example, if I started studying, then I will remember that I have to edit my video, then I will do that. Then I will remember that then that I have to watch this podcast, then I will do that. Then I will remember that I have to do homework, then I will do that. A lot of things, like a chaotic the chaos runs in my mind, and that wastes my time a lot. Thing which I will point out, that is like it is also important, that is overthinking before starting anything. Like I have also experienced it. Like before making any video, before making my first video, I had thought about this a lot, like a lot of time. What should be the channel name, what should be the first video, what should be the topic, how will I speak, how can I communicate better, how what will if I spoke wrong, these types of things just go in my mind. And I never tried to start. But when I started, I got to know that some things comes in your experience when you will experience it. Like what I want to say, that you will got to know some things by when you will start it. So gaining experience is very important. And uh, I am not saying just don't plan before starting. Don't just overthink before starting. You can think what to do, how to do, and then you can start. But don't overthink a lot. Just you have to plan, just you have to think, and just you have to execute in a little time. If you don't have any idea, you can start. Cause I had also done, I don't have any idea related what I'm doing, but I am just doing. Cause if I will not start, that will also be waste my time. So it is better to start this. I will go to my fourth point, that will be doing easy tasks instead of doing important things. Like maybe you had done these types of things, like watching any productive video, watching any productive podcast, watching any video, organizing your things, making timetable, like these types of things. then you think that you are positive. No, sorry, positive not. You are productive. But are you really productive? Because these types of things just waste your time. Okay, it's sometime for months and months you can change your timetable, you can watch your videos, but daily doing this, daily saying that I'm changing my timetable, daily organizing the things which are just around you is not productive things. And maybe after next time, if you will, like if you are doing something these types of things, just ask yourself, am I productive or not? If the answer is no, just think that these things are making you busy and wasting your time. So the fifth, and maybe everyone do this. Maybe some elder people, maybe some younger people, maybe you, maybe or I. I used to do it daily, which is procrastination, which is I will do it later. Like I will do editing after an hour. I will study after an hour. After like I will do this after an hour. I will do this later. I will do that later. And these types of things I used to do daily. But you know that if you will say I will do it tomorrow, the tomorrow will become the next day. The next day will become the next whole week, and this will goes on. And you know what? Uh, I will do it is not any timetable, or it's not any productive work that you will do the next day or tomorrow. It is like a kind of excuse you are giving. You are running from the work which you have to do. You are running from the work which you have to do now, but you are excusing yourself that I will do it tomorrow. And this is, yeah, like waste a lot of time. Sometimes it waste a full week. Sometimes it's waste a whole month. So don't just say I will do it later. Try to do it 10 minutes just, then you will realize that this is simple and I can do it fast. Then you will have less chance to, you know, wasting your time. So these were some mistakes which were like was generic, and these mistakes are done by everyone, maybe by everyone. And I used to do it daily. That's why I thought that I should make video on this. And these types of things which if you will improve, then you can improve your life a lot. So I think that is what today's video. If these mistakes helped you, and if you took precautions from these, then that is good for you and that is good for me also. So I think that is for today. See you in the next video. Sayonara.